Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Always Miss Me, chapter 59. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Julian and Wenchel. All of them are already in the party. Well, everyone was chatting to each other, and it seems that most of them are getting to know each other. Well, the cousins, it's been a long time since they went to see each other. Julian said, whether we talk about it or not, it's our business. Don't worry about it, Julian said to Wenchel. But Wenchel, she keeps staring on hers. Probably she want to ask her questions. One of the cousins said, that means we didn't talk about it. My sick sister has no vision. Well, it seems that they're really not closer to each other. Everyone has their own thoughts. Well, Wenchel, can I call you Chow Chow? You must not like my sick sister. Apart from being pretty, she has no other advantage. When we were young, she had a worse temper than her eighth sister. So it turns out the sister. They're really talking badly about Julian. Well, that's it. Let's change the topic. Sister, I heard that a few years ago, after my second aunt had an argument with my grandfather, she sent someone to send. That night, my grandfather had a sudden heart attack and was sent directly to the emergency room. Well, it seems that it was really a serious problem before. Could it be that that's the reason? That's why her grandfather wants to celebrate the party with all of them. He suddenly came back this year. Did you hear any news? What news? Julian. She kept asking questions to her cousin. Well, it seems that the news that it was really important things for them. Now, it makes sense. Only Julian and Wenxiao doesn't know what is the reason for this party. Everyone seems to be quiet. Well, everyone seems to be noticed that only the two of them does not know. Well, Grandpa will designate a successor at the birthday party. Well, this might be really shocking for Rancho and Julian. They don't really expect it about this, right? Well, what? What on earth does Grandpa want to do? In other words, will everyone be there tonight, including the uncle's family? No, Julian, she seems to be getting worried. Well, what about her mother, right? My uncle's is my mother's eldest brother and the firstborn son of the Su family. I heard that suddenly you went abroad more than 10 years ago and really came back home. I seldom saw him. Well, Julian said to Wenchao. Well, it seems that the party is going to start. No, the grandfather was going to start the banquet. Well, this is really serious, right? Since they don't really know who is going to be the successor of the Su family. Everyone seems to be silent. Well, probably they're really waiting for the news. Also, this is really getting tricky. Well, let's hope everyone will be fine and there's no more commotion. After hearing on who's gonna be the next successor of the Su family, where have you been? The grandfather was speaking. Everyone is waiting for you. Well, which person are the grandfathers pertaining about? Now, it makes sense when it seems that her heart is acting up. She was holding her chest and she was calling Julian, elder sister. Well, Julian, she was staring at hers. Probably she got to notice something. If you're not satisfied, we won't eat it. Nonsense. The third child of the Su family, the second sister. This is the child. Well, it seems that this person was tricky. Also, he is her uncle. Su Laoshan doesn't want to live anymore. Well, everyone seems to be puzzled. Everyone seems to be false. Could it be that the grandfather is getting angry again? Well, let's see. My brother, what did you just said? Well, I didn't hear it. You clearly. Why don't you say it again? Well, what is she going to do? If the third brother is acting tricky, well, what will they gonna do for him? Soran, your mother is gone. You're a child born by the mother but not raised by her. Well, it seems that this person is really mischievous. Well, let's hope that the Su family will never fall for him, even though at this moment he clearly remembers that what happened before when the Su mother are going to punish him before. Well, let's hope that today's banquet will become peaceful. Well, you say it again. Later, my father found out about this and made me kneel on the rooftop for a whole night. Well, it seems that this person already known his mistake that they don't want to get bothered. But the grandfather said right now, okay, sit down and get ready to eat. Well, it seems that the grandfather is not in a good mood. That look at him. He looks really serious about this. After a while, Julian and Wenjiao were going to sit on another table. The old man just likes the child left by the dead woman. Why is still protecting my second sister when she is such in a state? Just sit. Let's eat first and see what they are up to. Julian said to Wenjiao. Well, it seems that Julian, she knows something else, but of course Wenjiao, she really want to protect her. Even though their own uncle is getting tricky, well, Julian said to her that Wenjiao, she was going to listen to Julian. Well, she seems to be happy. Also, everyone's got serious. Sister, can you please respect us, the single people? Well, stop. It's not us. I have a partner. Well, it seems to be. They're really talking casually. Also, Julian suddenly noticed. You guys are so annoying. Well, it seems that she's really losing her fashion. But who is this person? It seems that there's a man who's coming in. Well, the man moved closer to Wen Zhao and said, who brought you? He kept whispering, why are you sitting at the same table with my sister? Oh, this person. He was really annoying, right? Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!